Class 3 Computer Chapter 4 The Internet and Introduction Part 3. Topic for today is basic terminology related to the Internet. Dear children, today let's learn some terminology, means some words related to this chapter, that is the Internet. We very often use these words and we should know the difference between these words. And we use them very commonly, and we should not get confused with these words like web page, home page, web browser, internet, website. So there's so many words which you need to understand, and it's very easy. It's not a new term for you all, because we very often use it and you all understand these words. Let's read the chapter and understand this topic. I hope you all have done the previous work that I gave you. The last class's work was to to write the advantages and disadvantages of the internet. I hope you have done this in your done that in your copy, and this also you're going to do it in your copy neatly. You will be writing these terminologies with their meanings in your copy and learn them well. So let's discuss them and understand one by one. So the first term given here is website. What is website? Website is a collection of web pages. So to understand this web pages, you need to know what is a web page. So web page is the digital pages. Digital pages means which is on the electronic pages, or the computer, on the computer, which you see. Like a book has many pages which contains lots of information. The same way, when you access on the computer a particular website, or the website has many information about them, and they are displayed in different pages. But when you open a website, you just see one screen. That first screen is called the home page. The first cover, like a book of a cover. A cover of a book. Same way, when you open a web page, you see the first page. That page is called the home page. And that website can have as many number of pages in it, or it may have many links to other web pages. You may go to, by clicking on some blue colored highlighted letters you see, when you click it, it takes you to some other website or some other links. That is called the link, when it is related, some information related to that particular topic. So it's a web, like a spider's web. It's like it takes you from one topic to another. It just links you. So to understand this, website and web pages are the pages, and when we have this collection of web pages, that is called the website. Then I just now explained you what is a home page. Web pages can be many pages, and the first page of a website is called the home page. Then what is this web browser? Web browser is like any other software program, like we learned MS PowerPoint, MS Word. PowerPoint is for presentation, making presentations, and MS Word is for typing words and sentences, writing stories, right? So same way, like paint, you draw and color in them. So same way, this web browser is a special program that allows the user to access information on the web. So all these web pages that we learned, how do we access them? How do we open it? So for that we need a software. So that software is called the web browser, and there are so many web browsers available. If you look at the picture of page number 47 given in your book, there are so many symbols, icons given here, a multicolored yellow, green, red color and a blue earth ball inside. This is the Google Chrome, the web browser. And then Firefox, a fox symbol there, Opera, O symbol is there, and there are so many other. Explorer, there is a compass, yes, and E Explorer is there, Netscape Navigator, that is the compass given here. So all these are the softwares which help us to visit or open different web pages. We need, and all these web pages have they have a name called, all these have a name for their website, means they have like we have this google.com. What is that? That is the address of that site, right? To search any information, we type www.google.com. that is the address given to that website, and that is called a web address or an URL. Okay, and we type it in a place called address bar in the web browser. Then you can create a shortcut also of this on your desktop by, when you open the browser, just drag it from start button, you go to the browser and then click on that browser and drag it and put it in the on your desktop, so it will be displayed as a shortcut on your desktop. So we learned that to access any website is what? The information available on the internet is contained in the websites and on the web pages, and these websites have many pages. It's like a book containing number of pages, and without the name for a book, we cannot identify or we cannot talk to your friends that I read this book. So same way, when you visit a website, or when we create a website, we need to have an address for it, a name for it, and that name is used in the web browser to open it and see the information. Then comes the search engines. Search engines are the softwares which help us to search information on the websites or web pages. So some of the popular search engines are Google, just now I told you, and Bing, Yahoo, etc. are some search engine. Search engine means you can type this address on the web browser and then this website will open, and once you get the home page, there will be a place for search. A bar will be showing search, or an option will be there with the magnifying glass or something like that. And if you type your keywords, means if you want to find information about what is internet, so you type internet, it will give you lots of information that it contains on the www World Wide Web, and you can see all these information by clicking on those links. So this is what is for today's class, that is basic terminologies. We learned website. So website is a collection of web pages. And what is web page? Web page, information on the internet is available in the form of digital pages, and these pages are called web pages. And home page, the first page of any website is known as home page. What is web browser? Web browser is a special program that allows the user to access information on the web. Then what is search engine? Search engine is a software that searches for any information required by a user. So that's all for today, children. Do this exercise in your copy neatly and learn them. Take care.